Hi everybody, we're here at the Mirador Astronómico de la Golada de las Iguas. I'm with Josephine. Hi Joe.
Hey.
So Joe will be narrating or explaining whatever it is, okay, that we see.
So this area has been declared Starlight Tourist Destination,
Uh-huh.
overlapping with the Gran Canary Biosphere Reserve, as well as the Risco Caído Cultural Landscape and Sacred Mountains of the Gran Canary.
Uh-oh.
Starlight destinations are places with low light pollution that offer excellent conditions for stargazing.
Oh wow.
Talk about coming here at night and not having anything blocking you as you watch the stars
Yeah,
go
because
over
there's
the
no
mountaintops.
light
There's
pollution.
no pollution.
Yeah,
there's no light
pollution.
pollution.
Right.
I mean, imagine seeing this towards the afternoon with the beautiful sunset coming in over the mountains. How amazing could that be?
Yeah. So pack your bags and talk to us.
There's
And-
also the fact that you're in the mountains, right?
Yeah.
And then you're turning around, and on the back, you've got the ocean.
Oh, yeah.
You've got the Atlantic Ocean where you can go and take the afternoon and go swimming and refresh and grab some beautiful seafood and some fresh fruits and whatever else your heart desires.
And the weather's perfect, right? Because we're actually near Africa, like they say, like 200 something miles.
We're 200 kilometers off of
Kilometers, yeah.
of the continent of Africa.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you know, stay tuned for more.
Yeah, for more.
What we have to offer.
All right, I'll see you guys.